using this Gorilla construction glue, which is what we use to glue down our counters inside of our RV. And yes, I'm basically putting this in between the ridges because it sinks in. Done with insulation. We put it all in between the ribs, these bump out over here as well, the whole floor, all of the ribs of the floor, and even the ribs on the tailgate. I think it's safe to say that we are done for today. Okay, time to pick up our mess, and we will see you guys tomorrow when we lay down these planks, and then hopefully over the planks we will be putting our flooring.